Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a little project which shortens a URL and saves it to a text file on the desktop. But before we start, you need to import this module here. Not import it because you won't have it on your system. It's called Shorteners. And what you do, you install it through pip. So you can go to your command line and type in that command there to install it. If that doesn't work, just try typing in pip instead of pip3. On my system it's pip3. So to install it will be at the command line for me, pip3 install Shorteners. And then once you've installed it, import this module into your program. Okay, let's start off. Let's create a function called Shorten URL. Right. Actually, no, we want to change the directory first, so we're going to create path. I'm going to change the directory to my desktop. Okay, that's the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop. Your desktop path will be different, so you'll have to find out what your own unique desktop path is, because if you type this in that I've typed in, you'll get an error. So it's os.chddir, change directory, and we're going to change directory to the path that we stated above. Okay, so that will automatically change directory, because this is where we want to save our text file. So I'm going to create a variable called link URL, and I'm going to assign it to input to grab the user input. So we tell the user enter link URL to shorten. So the user will enter a long URL into there. Then we create another variable called link, and we assign it to link URL. Now we have to type in Shortener. This is a variable. And we type in py shorteners. Py shorteners dot. Okay, so we've got py shorteners. And guess what, guys? After talking about this, I don't think I've got this on board. I don't think I've got it on board. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick check here. So we're just going to the command prompt, type this in, hit enter, and no, I didn't have it on board on this machine. Okay, so it says successfully installed, so we should have it on board now. Okay, let's just save that there. We might have to restart the program, so that's okay. We just restarted the program. Py shorteners dot shortener. There we go. Okay, and now we're going to do short URL. Is equal to shortener dot tiny URL dot short and link. Okay. Right, now we're going to create a text file. And I'm going to call it shorturl.txt. So we're going to create that on the desktop. The W flag there to create it as file object. Okay, file object dot write short URL, and we're going to print a message to the user saying file created, and then we'll tell them the path that we created the file on. So it should be path there. Now all we have to do is run this. Shorten URL. Let's just save it. Let's just run it. Okay, it says shorten URL here. So I've got a URL to Wikipedia. I think I've already got it on here. I'll paste this in. Ooh, won't work. Let me just grab this here. Select all. Copy. Paste. Let's shorten that. Okay, that's it. So let's hit. Make sure that I got the full URL in. Yep. Let's hit enter. Okay, so file created on the desktop. So that should have our URL in it. So short URL. Let's open it. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. That's your short URL there. I hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? I don't hand out invitations. There's a red and white button below. Make sure you hit it. Turn on that bell notification. Very important. Thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.